6, Kimber versus Crystal Juday. Court number 6. Court number 10, Celine Livia versus Natalie Jet. Court number 10. Celine Livia versus Natalie Jet. Court number 10. Orly Gimna versus Rico Andeng. Court number 7. Court number 10, Celine Livia versus Natalie Jet. Court number 10. Orly Gimna versus Rico Andeng. Please proceed to court number 7. June Kier versus Marvin Richmond. Please proceed to court number 14. June Kier versus Marvin Richmond. Please proceed to court number 14. Court number 10, Celine Livia versus Natalie Jet. Court number 10. Court number 6, Orly Gimna versus Rico Andeng. Court number 14, June Kier versus Marvin Richmond. Court number 14.
Time check. 1, 2, 3, time check. Okay, so meron tayong raffle draw for our team event tournament. So, pupunta ako ngayon sa ating mga audience. Mamimili ako ng dalawa and then pick a number from 1 to 80. Pick a number from 1 to 80. Okay? 1 to 80. Mamimili kayo ng number. Ano pong pangalan?
Jessica.
Jessica, anong favorite number mo? 1 to 80. Mamili ka po doon. Isa lang.
26.
Kuya, number 26.
Ricky, under Slammers.
Ricky Slammers daw. Congratulations! Nanalo ka po ng something. Nanalo ka ng something. Sabihin mo sa akin kung ano yung something na yung pagdating ko dito. Okay, let's have another one. Sino kaya ang mabubulo? Napili kang magsabi ng number pero hindi yung pangalan ko ang number. 1 to 80. Pick na naman. Favorite number 69. Kuya na. Ano daw ang lucky ano dyan? Sino yung lucky winner? Number 69. Baka ako na yan.
K, from Heaters.
Ay! Galing pala sa ano po yan. Thank you so much. Mamaya po ulit. Meron pa tayong mga surprises for our team event for today.
Court number 15. Court number...
Hello? Yung inyong prize ay magagamit niyo din sa pagbabadminton.
Court number 15, Frank Marshall versus Ali Jorix. Court number 15. Frank Marshall versus Ali Jorix.
Calling Kay from Heaters. Ano to, Slammers 2 Sa amin yung nanalo. Heaters, hindi haters. Slammers, hindi scammers. Ha? O mamaya, dahil galit na galit kayo, iba na yung mga pangalan.
Court number 15, Frank Marshall versus Ali Jorix. Ali Jorix. Court number 15, please.
Ayan, pick your favorite color. Very timely and relevant para sa ating pagbabadminton. We only have 8 remaining games per group. So this is our partial and official tally as of 9:13. 14 brawlers, 1,093. Games played, 32. 14 slammers, our front runner, 1,205. Games played, 32. 14 crushers, 1,150. Games played, 32. And our second on the list, hitters, 1,175. Games played, 32. Take note, this is partial and official. We still have 8 games to go, so those games can make or break your team's overall standing. Thank you.
Court number 9, Bernard Jubel versus Dante Kit. Court number 9. Bernard Jubel versus Dante Kit. Court number 9.
Last.